integrated solution for comprehensive risk assessment, mitigation, and monitoring. We help our customers stay ahead of changing risk and compliance conditions. Using our advanced capabilities in procurement efficiency, supplier collaboration, and supply chain resilience, our customers can deliver more effective patient care and vaccine innovation. Source-to-pay automation enables the procurement of complex services, revolutionizes workflows, and enhances visibility to drive excellence across our customers' upstream exploration and downstream refinery operations. By using guided buying and advanced automation, our customers dramatically reduce process cycle times, driving cost savings and efficiencies across the entire value chain. Using our software, our customers can increase contract spend compliance and utilization, reduce waste, and optimize sourcing outcomes. Our customer procurement teams work more collaboratively with key suppliers, driving innovation and increasing resilience for greater stability and profitability. We are GEP.